Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing a unboxing of a gorgeous box which I have been probably subscribed to about 6 months now. I can't remember how long it's been, but it's a lovely box. It's a lot more of the high-end product rather than your everyday drugstore mixed boxes. So this one is Beguile Beauty, and I think it's been about 6 months, and this box that I have is £35 a month, because obviously you're getting the high-end products, and I think you're getting around about £150 worth of product in the box. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this month's box, which is September's, or is it August? And then I've got August here, which I will run through just so you guys can get a gist of the kind of products you get with this subscription box. So I'll leave all the details down below where you can go and check it all out. And I think you can get, there's another 3 options now I think that you can use to subscribe to the Beguile Beauty. So I'll leave all the details down below so you guys can check it out. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Guys, if you didn't know, we are going to do a massive giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers over on YouTube and 3,000 followers over on Instagram. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, then head over there now and give me a follow. All the details down below. And yeah, let's get this giveaway going, because I'm hoping to do a new one just before Christmas as well. So let's see what happens. Okay, so going into the box, this is just opened. I have only just had it on the floor waiting to record this video. So let's dive right in and see what we've got. So first up, we have a Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. I love this brand. It's such a good brand, and anything with skincare, you know, I'm a sucker for. It's cruelty free, natural and vegan, and yeah, that and it got lemongrass and coconut oil, 50ml as well, so that's not a bad size. Then next up we have a Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill Stella Bouncy High Pigment Eye Colour. I don't think I actually own any kind of Giorgio Armani makeup, but this looks good. So is it like an eyeshadow? Oh wow, why do I always like, I love to smell makeup. That is stunning. How gorgeous is that shade? Very, very nice and light. So this is a bouncy high pigment eye colour. It's very bouncy. I wonder if it just glides on. Oh wow, yeah. Oh, that is, what a stunning colour. Just got bronzer on my eyelids, so this is just blended in quite well. Oh wow. So that's just glided on. I like that. Definitely gonna give that another try with a look. So this is what, oh, if I don't smash it, that is. So that's what that looks like. Then we have a, it's a Too Faced for Shamelessly Thick and Curled Lashes. Wow. 97% volume. 100% said they saw intense black lashes. 99% said they saw long wearing results. And 95% said long lasting curl. So this is a Too Faced mascara, which I don't own either, and I have been dying to try. Wow. So this is the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara. Packaging is gorgeous. Oh god, that brush looks a bit thick. Actually reminds me a bit like the Unique mascara. So that's that. Have to give it a try. Okay. Oh wow, this box is amazing. So next up we've got the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. I have been dying to try this concealer for such a long time, and yeah, I finally got my hands on it. So is it a bit too light? It'd be nice for highlighting, I think. Actually, it's not a bad shade. Oh wow, that is definitely gonna try that. So this is another one. Wow, this is probably gotta be worth over £100 now, this box. Absolutely stunning. And then we've got a lovely replenishing Juju Island Hydro Mask with Juju Prickly Pear and Green Tea, and it's from the OK range. I absolutely love this range face masks. I mean, if you guys haven't already seen my face mask collection, I have got a lot, trust me. I'll leave a link above so you guys can go and check that out. There's a lot. And then they kindly sent me another new brush, because the one that was in the last box, it came damaged, and they've kindly replaced that for me. So thank you very much to the girls at Beguile. But yeah, I mean, if you are looking for higher end products to try out and you don't want to obviously go out and fork out all that money, then obviously go for the Beguile box, because I mean, you've got Too Faced, Tarte and Giorgio Armani in the box, and you don't get these in your other subscription boxes. So this one is a high-end high-end brand box, and then you've got your Dr. Botanicals as well. So you've got a bit of skincare, a lot of makeup, which I like, and yeah, I can't wait to give the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer a go. So that is what's in September's, and then I will just run through quickly what came in a previous box, so you kind of get the gist. I mean, it's very consistent with what it, you know, it shares and stuff like that. So you've got another, this is a body, this is a neck one, I think. Yeah, this is for the neck. So I like I said, I love this brand. Then we've got a gentle eye makeup remover. Then we've got an Inglot gel liner, and then we've got a Morphe palette, and then that was what came broken, which they kind of replaced back for me. I've had more Too Faced, we've got eyeshadow palette. I've had some Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. We had the Yves Saint Laurent lipstick in here as well, lip gloss in here. It's, what else I've had? Armani, Yves Saint Laurent, Burberry nail varnish, Burberry lipstick, you name it, they're in here. So if you do like your higher end brands, or you feel that you don't want to spend your money on just the one product, then go for the £35 box, and you will get 5 high-end brand products, and you can just try it out, and then you can decide whether you like it or not. So yeah, that is all what's about Beguile. It is, the girls are absolutely lovely. They are if you message them and you need any help, they will contact you straight away. They are really good and helpful, and yeah, thank you. They asked me, you know, to share my review on what I think of the boxes, and I do actually really enjoy them. So yeah, I mean, there's some products where you think, but that's with any subscription boxes stuff, you know, you're not going to try like everything that's in the box, but there's something in there that you're going to think, yeah, that I wouldn't have spent my money on that, and it's come in the box. So that's the beauty of all these subscription boxes. You're saving yourself not only money, but the time going out, and you know, if you didn't like it and you're wasting your time at the shops having to go out and buy it. So yeah, that's it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.